Breaking news, your body creates 25 million new cells every second. That's like building a small city inside you while you watch this video. Your brain processes information faster than the world's most powerful computer, reaching speeds of 268 amp. And get this, your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. During your lifetime, you'll produce enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. Meanwhile, your eyes can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Next time someone calls you basic, remind them you're basically a walking supercomputer made of stardust